When you're having a losing streak, you will probably take measures to scale back your trading. You might cut your size down. You may even take a break and just think, I need to clear my head. I need to step away from the market, reevaluate my strategy, or maybe market conditions are changing and maybe see how I need to adjust my analysis. Whatever it may be, we all do something to back away from the market when we've had maybe 3, 4, 5 losing trades in a row. We do something to reevaluate. But think about this. When you've had a winning streak, an unusually good winning streak, maybe you've made more profit than you would normally do. Maybe you've had 6, 7, 8 winning trades in a row. You're probably starting to get overconfident. You're probably starting to get really cocky. You might be thinking, I've mastered this. I can beat the markets. You're feeling like the master of the universe. This is when you're most vulnerable actually to suffering a big loss. I've been through it so many times. I get overconfident. I really think I've got it. I think my analysis is just absolutely perfect. I think my strategy is working so well. That's when you start losing your discipline. You start losing your focus. You get too cocky. You start taking risks. Maybe you're not using stop loss anymore. You're running your trades too far, not taking a profit when you normally would, not trailing your stop loss when you should. You're probably trading bigger size than you would normally do, which of course means when it goes wrong, you're going to suffer a bigger loss than normal. There's a number of things that can happen when you get overconfident. Maybe not as focused as you would normally be. Could you think you can't put a foot wrong? You've got to be aware of this. Think to yourself, right, I've had a good run. Am I being overconfident? Am I starting to lose my discipline? Am I not being as focused as I normally am? Am I in danger now of suffering a big loss because I'm not really in control like I normally am? It's a difficult thing to do. It's a difficult thing to recognize within yourself when you're overconfident. Of course, it's easy to recognize when you're losing confidence, when you're a little bit scared, when you're a bit anxious about the market because things are not going well. It's not easy to recognize when you're feeling overconfident and you're not appreciating that there's probably been a little bit of luck involved in you doing so well. It's something you need to be in tune with, and you need to be able to say to yourself, okay, slow down, hang on, are things getting out of hand a little bit? Do I need to take a step back, or do I need to be very careful about my discipline and make sure that I'm not over trading? You may even think to yourself, okay, I've had a really good run. This can't last. It never does. Maybe I need to be scaling my size down. Maybe I actually need to be becoming a little bit more cautious. And maybe I need to be trading more defensively. These things you're going to have to work out for yourself, but be aware of them.